So last video I said I was gonna have a GoPro. I fucking lied to you guys. Hell no. I'd rather pay the money for this shit than have to pay for a helmet and a mount and whatnot and the GoPro itself. It's either that or I end up buying Ray-Ban glasses, the fucking Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Anyways, if you guys want to learn how to set 23.3s consistently, watch this fucking video. I will point out which lap I'm like going as a fucking speed demon and whatnot, because you know I'm a fucking speed demon, like I said in the first video I've uploaded. Who fucking knows? But to be honest, I really wasn't expecting myself to set a 23.367, some shit like that. I impressed myself today. Like, for someone as dumb as me and as cooked as I am, I think that's pretty fucking good. But I will say, shout out to the workers, because they know me by name. I'm a fucking regular, and they the goats. They just know me. They know I like to go fast. So they set that shit to the highest level possible and allow me to just race to my heart's content. Now, I will say, some people don't know what the blue flag means and they don't know how to read basic signs, but this video proves some people wrong. Just wait. Otherwise I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell if you want to see more. If you like karting, if you want tips, fuck it. Enjoy, guys. So I wait over here for a little bit just so I could set a good enough gap so where I'm not close enough and I'm not like that far away so I could still have a race and whatnot. But yeah. And also after this freeze, you will see a lap counter and the lap times right at the bottom right. Number 30 over here, I kind of dive bombed the fuck out of this person, not gonna lie. I'm kind of an asshole. Yeah, I'm a little stupid, but I love sticking to my roots and dive bombing people, not gonna lie. It's my favorite thing. I said 11, let me pass. You do not want to fight it. Please just let me pass. So prior to the race starting, I had told this dude if we see each other on the track, let's give each other the nod and just go all out. And you'll see what happens when people don't know how to race. You hear that thud? That was him spinning out and hitting the wall like a dumbass. So now this is where I say I'm thankful for people that know how to use their eyes and read mid-race, because cart number 30 and cart number 10 are absolutely god tier people. They both got thumbs up from me because they were nice. So now as we get into lap 11, this gets into my best record by far, and you'll just see it at the end. You'll see it by the racing line and whatnot too. It may seem pretty odd saying that I was kind of setting consistent 24s for 2 laps, but I do have skill and I do have a racing line. That's all I can say. In retrospect, I don't know why I didn't take the inside line on this one, but I'm a dumbass. Thank you very much for watching the video, saying that this is only my 3rd YouTube video I have uploaded. I am begging you guys to like and subscribe. Please hit the bell if you want to see more of this. Thank you very much once again.